I love it when a vegetable dish is so unexpectedly good that the kids ask for seconds. So that's why I'm gonna show you my Veggie Kugel. You gotta put the vegetables somewhere in the meal, right? And this is a great way to do it, the Veggie Kugel. Okay, so we've got most of our ingredients in here, the potatoes, the carrots, our salt and pepper, our eggs, and our oil. And then over here, we've got the zucchini, the onions, the herbs, and the garlic, and we're just going to mix it all up because I like to keep things quick and simple. I put it all in one food processor and just let it rip. Now I take all of my stuff from here and dump it into the bowl and mix it all up. Once you've got it all mixed, you just put it into your greased pan, flatten it out, and throw it in the oven. Here it is, my Veggie Kugel